Right, good morning everyone. Now, I'm using the distress ink that I used the other day. This is the broken china. Got my little dauber. And what I'm doing is, I've got the Nottingham lace. This is the powder blue Nottingham lace. It's super gorgeous lace. We do sell it in pinks, whites, creams, and whatever. And what I'm doing is, that is how it is on the reel, and I'm edging it. I want that darker blue. So, it's easy to do. I've cut the base for my flower. I'm going to make 3, I think. So, easy. Use your dauber and just go over the edging of the lace. Now, the thing is, if this got wet, the blue ink would run. That's the only thing. So if you wanted to wash the flower, it would either wash it out or it would run. But this is just, it's not going to be one that'll be washed. I'm just saying, if you got it, wore it on a lapel or a coat or a bag of some sort, if it rained, you'd end up with blue dye on you. So they have to warn you first, you see. So that is just gorgeous. Can't wait to see what that's like as a flower. Beautiful. Yeah. And I've gone over it twice to give it that dark edge. So I'm going to do that again because I want more than one. But you can cut it into strips if you want. You don't have to leave it like that. And I think what I'm going to do with mine is to cut them into 4-inch strips. Yeah. So I might just need... I'm glad I did the 2 of them. It's just sometimes easier to place the flower. I'm going to have a central thing, I think. Right, I'm on to the last one now. I may need to do a couple more, I'm not sure yet. Okie dokie, so I've got all of those there like that. Now I'm just going to get some more bits and pieces that I may need. My little dauber. So after all, it is lace. And I'm just going to work around the edge. Like that. Just overlap them. Do as you normally do. I like that, you see, and it comes round and round. See how it overlaps? It's pretty. And then this one can overlap there. And I have one more that can overlap. That one, like that. Yeah. Just move that in there, like that, that's it. Like that. And I think what I'll do is I'll just add these little bits. Here. Just keep adding more in until I'm happy with it. I'm going to put that one in there. It does make a stunning flower. I'm going to need a couple more pieces. Scissors. Another. It's like a two-tone blue now, you see, so it's really pretty. There we go. I'll wipe that off in a minute. But your flowers, it all depends on how you lay your fabric or your trims to what your flower is going to look like. If I'd have done like continuous one all the way around, it would have looked different. It's where you place it and how you place it. That's the thing, you know, in to how your flower's going to look at the end when you've finished it. And of course the finishing touch would be the central bit. So we shall see, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with mine. I have to see it finished. I'm going to put that one there and then attach this one on this side, as you can see where it needs to be. Now I still think big pearls are best. I could put a piece of bling in it, but I don't want to. These big pearls do the trick. Yeah. And they look just right, look, see, like that. Although, I'm saying that, let me just see. Yeah, I know, I changed my mind. I often do. I'm a bugger for it, but there you go. The results are often quite nice, aren't they? Waft that about a bit. See, like that. Take the excess glue off your thumb and finger. And then we need to chop that. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'll tell you for why. Because I want to put something else in with that. Let me just put that there. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? But I like to add things to mine. And I have these deep purple. Oh no, I've got these. Hang on. See, I've got these, and these will look stunning. So, let's have a look. We're just going to put them around the edge. Inside there, like that. Oh, that, yes, I can tell I've done the right thing. You can just tell, you know, when you've got it right. I'm going to put one this side, there, and then fill in the edge. Oh, made the right decision. Yeah, I did. There, like that. See? That is just beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? And so easy. Now, what I'm going to do with this one is just make an plain, ordinary flower. Without the colour. These will be for sale in the shop, folks. Be sold as a pair of flowers, but obviously they're different in colour. So I'm just doing a continuous strip. There's a 12-inch strip. If you're doing gathered, I wouldn't do any more than 12-inch using gathered lace. If you're doing flat lace, you need 14 to 16 inches to make a good flower. So I'm just going to get a little bit of felt. Open the flower up, finger and thumb, and we just pull it around just to even everything out. See, like that. Push that back in there, and I'm just going to glue that little bit down like that. And we just do that, pop that in the middle, like that, and I'm going to put the pearl in. I think too big, that one. Just get a different pearl. So I've got a nice pearl here. Push that down into the centre like that. Now I'm just going to trim this because you don't want to see much of that. Like that. That's good enough to put that onto something. So there you go, 2 different flowers using the same fabric, the same lace. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.